Hi students, this is Miss Johnson with 6-5, Applying Systems of Linear Equations. Today our sabbat is going to be to determine which method is best to solve situations. We have used many of them. So we're going to go ahead and make a table, and we've got all 5 methods that we have used so far in this chapter. We have used graphing to see where the lines cross to find the solution. We have done substitution. We have used elimination using addition. We have eliminated using subtraction. And most recently, we have eliminated using multiplication. All 5 methods are great, but sometimes they are best to use in certain situations. So that's what we're going to talk about today. All right, let's start with graphing. When we are graphing, the best time to use it is if we just want to estimate a solution. It doesn't have to be super exact, and we can do that with any equations. Then we moved into substitution, and we want to use substitution if one of the variables has a coefficient of 1 or -1. For example, if we look at this system of equations, there is really a 1 in front of this x, and it makes it easy because it says x equals 2y plus 4. So if we know x is 2y plus 4, we can just go ahead and substitute it in for x in this second equation. Alright, so the next method we got to was elimination. And we want to eliminate using addition when one of the variables has the opposite coefficient in each equation. So as we took a look at these 2 equations, this system, we have a positive 3y and we have a negative 3y. When we add these 2 equations together, the y's will be eliminated. The fourth method we used was elimination using subtraction. And we want to subtract when one of the variables has the same coefficients. So as we take a look at these 2 systems of equations, we have our x's, and our x's both have coefficients of 2. Therefore, the best method to use would be to eliminate using subtraction. And finally, elimination using multiplication. We want to use this if nothing is the same, nothing's the opposite, and we don't have a 1 or -1 as our coefficients. So as we take a look, we've got 6x plus 5y equals 8, and 4x minus 3y equals 7. Nothing is the same, nothing has opposite numbers, nothing says x equals or y equals, or -x or -y. So the best method for this one is to eliminate using multiplication. Alright, this has been a summary of our 5 methods. We're going to put them all together and practice them. Thanks for tuning in.